Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. I decided to come on. I'm really not feeling well today, but I'm trying to force myself to get up and get moving. I don't know what this is that has attached itself to my body. It started yesterday where my sinuses was just feeling horrible in my throat. What I decided to do was get up and do a clean with me because my living room is a horrifying mess. It looks like a tornado ran through here. Trying to get moving and get myself feeling better and get some of this stuff sweated out of me. So let's get it. Guys, let me give you a pan around of the before, what this space is looking like over there in my office area. In the craft area, it's a mess. And over here in the dining and this area over here is a mess. Everything is a mess. Yes. So I'm gonna get this space in order. Let me get to work.
Hey guys, I'm back. It's a new day. I had to stop yesterday because my body just shut down on me. You can hear it in my voice, so I do apologize. However, I'm gonna finish up in here. As you can see behind me, let me move over here so you guys can see. I pretty much cleaned everything on this side. I just gotta wipe the table down. As you can see, I moved the furniture around. So today, I was thinking I wanted just to change up this area a little bit. So I'm gonna do some moving around of this, cleaning this space up. And let's get back to it.
Okay, guys, I got through it. Yes. But I'm gonna end this video here because it's gonna lag on too long. So I'm going to include the whole fall decor and Thanksgiving decor haul in another video. Okay, guys, so I'm just gonna give you a pan around the room. Thank you for stopping in at Behind Closed Doors. I hope you enjoyed this clean with me. I rearranged the temporary office space over here. Yes. And then we came over here. We got this area cleaned. The kitchen is under renovation, so what you see is what you get, but it is a clean kitchen. I hope this motivated you guys to get up and get moving and get some cleaning done too. Dicey want to say thank you for watching Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. Until next time, say bye, Dicey.